It's Sober RS here, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on Herbiboar. What you want to have is 80 Hunter with 31 Herbiboar to be able to basically do the runs. Okay, so what you want to get is full Graceful if you have it, or weight reducing armor. I have a ring of Explorer rings here too. And what this is, I'm just going to give me some free run energy here. It's from the Lumberage Diary. You can use your dig site necklace to get a fossil island, or you can use a house teleport, is which what I'm doing. We have magic secateurs here. This is from the Fairy Tale Part 2 quest. It will give you, I believe, more XP and more yield from cleaning the Herbiboar for herbs. Alright, so let's go on and... Okay, let's go ahead and type in those names. We're going to get to Fossil Island here. Go to the Magic Mushroom Tree. We're going to go to Mushroom Meadow, the fourth one. Okay, so now that we're here, what we're going to want to do is look for these. Right here, it's a rock here. Okay, well, it gives you the option to inspect it. I'll go around the map and show you which ones to inspect. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to inspect the rock. You guys searches for it. Sometimes you get XP, sometimes you get Numulite, sometimes you get a fossil, which is quite nice. On Runelite, it's much more obvious where to go, but I don't have that, and this is good enough. Okay, so we follow the tracks here. Inspect the mushroom. It's usually one of the two. Okay, we got a little bit of XP. Do not click on these, because even if you try to click off of it and try to run away, your dude will just end up attacking it, and it's just annoying. It's a little mushroom monster that'll attack you. Okay, so we're following the trail here. All paths are different. It's quite easy. Nothing really to mess up here. Got a little Numulite. It's not really worth much, but it's used on Fossil Island. Inspect the muddy patch here. Let's see. Okay. It could either be, I think, 2 to 3 steps max, or no, 2 to 3 steps on the low end, or 5 to 6 on the higher side, I believe. Inspecting that. All right. This is one of the more the medium amount of steps. We're just going to take us all the way back here. We're going to click attack. You're basically going to kick it. I get 2k XP. Harvest the Herbiboar. There you go. Clean your herbs. You want to have a... Can I clean those? A little bit of lag. You want to have a herb sack so you can stay here for much longer. But basically, you're going to want to inspect this rock right here. There is one down here to inspect. Let me face north for you guys. That guy's, I think he's doing a Slayer task. And right over here, oh, right up here, there's another rock. You can inspect it and run this way. And do your Herbiboar run. Okay. On the left over here, actually west, you're going to see on the map a little hunter sign. That's another thing right here. You can inspect that. Of course, you can't re-inspect. You've already done one. This mushroom on the left here, you can inspect that all the way over there on the left, in the middle. You need 70 agility, I believe, to go through here. So you don't have to run around. It's not required, but if you don't want to have to run around, it's nice to have. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Comment, like, and subscribe. Have a good one, guys.